Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's see what the people at home said. Oh, wow. 71% says they would hit the button. 29% says they wouldn't. Wow. Here you go.
You can read minds. Okay, Devin?
Okay. I can read minds.
Even when you're not reading minds, there's a very faint psychic impression that everyone is disappointed and dislikes you. I'm pushing the button.
You're pushing the button.
Yeah, at least me and other people will be on the same page.
I'm pushing the button. Let's see. Wow. Wow.
That's closer
This
than I thought it would be.
That is extremely close. It's not 50-50. 52% said yes and 48% said no.
Yep.
Why?